Let's see how you can actually build a simple DM chatbot automation on TikTok to collect customer details and also send free lead magnets or offers as well. So here I'm in a demo account. First of all, you need to connect your TikTok account. So you can do that in just a few seconds by going through the channels option over here and choose TikTok. So it is important to note that the TikTok messaging automation is only available for all the countries except US, UK, Switzerland or European Economic Area. So once these countries are supported, we will actually enable on our platform too. So if you click on learn more, you will see the guide as well on how to connect TikTok and other informations related to TikTok automation. So here you can access the same guide via the help center as well. So here if you go to the help center, I'm in the help center, and if you scroll down to TikTok automation, here you can find all the details. For example, you need a business account. So here if you click on this link, it will show you how to switch your own account to a business account, and you can find other details too. So connecting TikTok doesn't take much time, so you need to simply click on this connect button and simply click continue. That's it. So it will take just a few seconds. So once it is connected, you will see this sort of window. It shows TikTok as well. So let's see how to build a very simple chatbot automation and collect customer details to offer some sort of free lead magnets or free offers over there. So here I have a sample chatbot flow right here, offering a free guide about TikTok marketing secrets just for the demo. So let's create the flow. So let me say TikTok marketing secrets as the flow name. So let me go to the flows section over here and create a new flow, and let me name this one as TikTok marketing secrets. All right, click continue over here. So here I'm in the flow builder. So when building flows, you have the option to choose a specific channel you want to build on. For example, currently by default you will see omni-channel. That means whatever the things you build here will simply work on all the connected channels on your account. But if you want to build just for TikTok, then choose a TikTok option over here and you see TikTok, and from here you can build any sort of TikTok automations. But we recommend using the omni-channel because it simply works on other channels too. So whatever the things you build on TikTok, you can simply connect your Instagram and use the same flows right here for the Instagram too. So that's very powerful. So let's just go with the omni-channel option over here and start building. So here this is the first message we want to send to them. This is first message we want to send to them. Hey, want my free guide on TikTok marketing secrets to grow your account fast? Just reply yes and I will send it over. So here we can actually provide them two options, yes or no. For example, here let me add the button yes, and let me add one more button saying no. So here you can even add these sort of buttons in the TikTok automation as well. And here if they say yes, so first let me add the no. So if they say no, this message saying no worries over there. All right, so that was the message if they say no. But if they say yes, then we want to collect their email address over here. As you can see here, awesome. Can you drop your email so I can send the guide your way? All right, so let's collect the email. So let me connect the yes block over here, and in this case we want to collect customer details. So instead of sending a text message, you have to choose get user data over here. All right, and add the specific email collection message over here, and here you have to click on edit and make sure the reply type is email. You can even collect other details too, but by default the reply type will be set as email. Save response to the email field, and here if they fail to enter the email, you can send the error message as well. And if you remove the skip button or if empty, the user will be forced to fill this field. So let's keep this as empty, so they will need to forced to fill this field. All right. So once they provide the email, you can actually set the email opt-in as well if you're planning to send emails within the platform. So that means you have the permissions or the consent to send any emails to the customers. So here choose email, set email opt-in. All right, so once it is saved, we set the email opt-in as well. But it is important to note that you need to actually connect your email account as well via channels. You have to connect an email right here. So here you can connect any email providers you like. Again, we have the guide right here as well. All right, so once they provide the email, what you can do is we simply send this message, perfect, your guide is on the way, check your inbox in a few minutes. Okay, let me say this message. But if you want to deliver the free lead magnet or the free guide right within the TikTok, you can do that. But whatever the links you sent through this DM automation is not clickable because they don't support that yet as of now, but you can actually send those links in a separate message as well. So here, as I mentioned, in the help center we have the guides on how this TikTok automation work. For example, let me show that. So here, clickable links. To make links easier for your users to copy, send them message separate message notes until TikTok enables the clickable links in the future. So here you can actually send a specific guide link right in the TikTok itself as well as a separate message. For example, here you can add the link right here as well if you want, but in this case let's just send that to the email over there. So let me just add the email over here. All right, we can say perfect, your guide is on its way to your email. Check your inbox in a few minutes. While you wait, feel free to ask any questions. All right, so now we want to send them an email too. So in that case, add send email option over here, and you see it will be sent from the email connected over there to the customer email. And here you can add any sort of email subject as you like. For example, let me add this subject, this one, break header, this one, and here you can add any sort of email content you like as well. If you want to move this button within this email and remove these parts, you can do that. Keep an eye. So the keep an eye part is now downside. All right, so the keep an eye part. All right, so we have just edited this one, and if you want to add any sort of buttons, you can do that and add the link to your PDF as well. So here I searched on Google as TikTok marketing secrets PDF, and we got some results. So here this is actually a PDF uploaded already. So here let's use this one just for the demo found online. So let me use this one. This is the PDF, and here let me say download now. Simple as that. So here they will receive this sort of emails right here after they share their email in the TikTok. All right, so let me publish this one. So this is now published, and here we can set up a keyword to trigger this automation. So you can actually ask your TikTok followers to send a specific keyword to get your free TikTok marketing secrets PDF, and from there you can actually trigger this automation. So let's set up a keyword over here. For example, you have to go to the AI Hub and choose keywords and set up a new one, and let me say ebook. So let me say ebook is the keyword I'm going to set up, and here choose the flow, which is TikTok marketing secrets. All right, and save it. So the keyword has been now set up as ebook. So now whenever a particular customer send you a message in your TikTok ebook, then this particular automation will get triggered. So let's see how this actually works. So here I'm in the TikTok, and we have some previous chats from the TikTok AI agents we built, but now let's test for the keyword based simple automation on TikTok, which we just built by sending the keyword ebook, and see how this actually works. So here it started the typing animations over here, and so here even though I sent the keyword ebook, we didn't receive any sort of responses. So in this case you have to check for the error logs. So go to flows over here and choose error logs and see what's wrong here. So it says TikTok template title maximum string length is 40. So that's also another option. So that's also another learning for us. So it should be less than 40 characters over here. So let me say, so here I changed this message as hey, want my free TikTok growth secrets. So here we receive the message yes or no, and here after that let me choose yes and see how this actually works. So here it says awesome, can you drop your email so I can send the guide your way. So let me add the email over here as chattingmedia@gmail.com. all right, so I have provided the email over here, so we should receive the confirmation message as well. All right, so it says perfect, your guide is on its way to Chatting Media. gmail.com. Check your inbox in a few minutes. While you wait, feel free to ask me any questions about TikTok growth. So it simply worked as well. So now we need to check whether we have actually received the specific email we set up right here. So here, let me open the email app over here. So here, this is the email app, and as you can see here, we have received the exact email we set up right here in the flow builder after we provided the email in the TikTok DMs. So here they can actually download. If I tap on this button, if I tap on this download now button, they can directly access that specific PDF guide as well. And here, if we go to this unified inbox over here, you can track all the conversation happened right there. And here you can find the customer details like email. So from previous chat, they have already shared the phone number as well. So you can find those details as well. And from this unified inbox, you can actually allow your human agents to send specific messages or handle customer support and much more. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build a simple chatbot automation on TikTok. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.